In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Facebook name on Android. So once you're logged into Facebook, you want to go ahead and tap on the three horizontal stripes, and they are there at the top right. So tap on that. Then you want to scroll down to where it says Settings and Privacy. Under Help and Support, tap on that. Then you want to tap on Settings. And now under Account Settings, you can see it says Personal Information. Tap on that. And then you can see you have a name option. Tap on your name option. And now you can go ahead and change your name. So if I wanted to add another name here, you could go ahead and do that and click on Review Changes. Now do bear in mind that you can't change your name for 60 days after you've made your change. So just bear that in mind. So once you've got your new name, click on Review Changes and it will be set. So that is how you change your name on Facebook on Android. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.